हाँ क्या कर रहे हो डिलीट कर रहे हो या कर दिया
अभी कर रहे हैं, फिलहाल खाना खा रहे हैं, डिलीशन करेंगे। वो बैकअप ले रहा है, एक बैकअप कंफर्म करे। भार्गव
या मालिक वन से
ओके। फिर सर नाश्ता बड़ा फिरता है, मैं वीडियो बना के तुझे भेज रहा हूँ। ये जो है तुर्की वाली रोटी है इनकी, साथ में सलाद है, साथ में जो है बटर है, हनी है, स्ट्रॉबेरीज है, almond carbs. Okay.
This why we prepare the everything up.
Okay. He is making kind of chapatis. What is this here?
This name is Xengel.
Khandal?
Xengel.
Xengel. Okay. Not
It's Azerbaijani lasagna.
Azerbaijani lasagna. Azerbaijani lasagna. Okay.
After we shall see when they prepare,
Okay.
you will see how to prepare and to eat. Okay.
I know how to eat. I know how to eat. I will be able to eat.
How eat
But I don't know how to make these.
Yes. After you do think about the continue. Okay. Now all I must do. Oh.
How long it will take?
No, I think.
Okay.
Then I think I think.
Okay. Then we will eat, and after that we will go to market. Okay. Okay.
It's night no.
Okay. Night time we will go. Okay. This is Iya's kitchen. Okay. So she is keeping everything here.
Yeah, ethnic national things.
National thing. Okay. Ethnic national stuff. Okay. So you can check Iya's ethnic national stuff.
It's all very old. They
Okay.
have nearly 50 years, 60 years, maybe more.
Okay. Everything is almost 50 or 60 years old. So she is keeping all of this. Okay. Now you check in the wall. So here once again she is keeping stuff.
With my painter, I did myself.
Okay. So
These are the pictures which I really like to take anything to do picture, you know.
okay.
Okay, this about the bread, this also about the bread. I don't know, I forget.
This is Daniel. Okay. Then this is our magnet. So magnets from almost all the countries. Okay. We also brought her this, but this was a small one. We just picked from the airport. Okay, this is Adankel, Nilo Valley. Okay. Then on this is the opposite wall. So she's keeping. She have almost decorated every place.
These are handmade.
These are handmade.
Yes.
Who have created this?
Yes.
You brought this from market?
I really like handmade, and when I have time, I do myself also.
Okay.
But when I am too busy, I cannot.
You are always busy.
Yes.
I know that.
But I really like to do something, to paint, to do some decoration.
No, that's good. You are keeping busy yourself. That's always good. Mostly I'm sitting here in the kitchen and I'm working.
We shall put in water, like a matter, after the tea. Put meat, yogurt,
But how long it will take?
cheese, bananas, and garlic.
Okay.
Nice. I finish this. It's full.
One more?
One more I do.
Okay.
We shall come. Okay. One more and it's what here is body.
What is it?
Here you must put salt and some oil.
Salt
Oil,
and some
yes, yes, some oil because some when you put some oil, it is good. They not connect to this. Stay very nice.
Okay. What is this?
It's meat.
Meat.
Meat
Kebab.
is- meat is with onion. Okay. I wish it for another person. Shall do some cheese. And some garlic. Okay. And some butter. Mm-hmm. And yogurt. Okay. Separate dishes. When I put this plate, I put all this. Very nice picture. Okay. Okay. That's why now I began to do another things. Wow. Hey, Baba. Ali Baba.
She's not allowing me to go outside.
Huh?
She's telling me stay here.
You want to stay here?
खेल रही है इसको सब खेल दरवाजा खोल के
She's good. She's happy now. Oh, she's happy now. Happy now. She's happy now. Good, good, good. She's
ठीक है बंद करो so this is homemade cheese hello everyone I am recording on behalf of Fayaz so this is homemade cheese and she is going to prepare the sauce with this cheese
very nice cheese.
okay
Expensive.
mm-hmm.
Okay. No problem.
okay
Okay. This bring my friends.
your friend bring okay so this is the cheese here
Organic butter, organic cheese,
mm-hmm.
eggs. I really like.
So everything here is organic
Yes.
okay
I wash it. Then wash anything that is good, clean.
clean
Because you touch for everything. That's why it's better to wash. Now
we are going to shred this cheese
yes. If you feeling the smell, this is natural.
mm-hmm.
Organic.
Organic.
Cheese every time some smell.
Mm-hmm.
Special.
Yeah.
Special. It is better.
So we are going to chop this green garlic.
Yes. Garlic is better now. Spring.
Okay, this is garlic, not onion, right?
Yes.
Okay. So she is now going to chop off this green garlic, fresh green garlic.
Spring. Because in spring it is better to eat all onion, also spring onion, garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Because in spring too much greens.
Okay.
And in our country we have more type of support.
Oh.
And one of them the for spring plov with you do with greens,
Mm-hmm.
meat with different greens.
Okay.
But some greens we have some greens low and abroad
Mm-hmm.
because they say it's my guests.
Okay.
And plov also rice plov we do with dill.
Okay.
With dill very nice, very smell good.
Dill is very important.
Yes, yes.
Herb.
And very, very popular.
Mm-hmm.
International, very nice. And I shall try to do for you also. You will see to test.
Okay, maybe someday we will have
Yes.
rice with dil.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm. So now we are going to chop these off for our sauce.
This also good butter. I take every time this pizza.
Okay.
Iranian.
Mhm.
Iranian butter. Very nice.
This is Iranian butter.
Yes. Very deliciously.
Okay.
I use this for cooking.
Okay.
Eating but cooking.
Okay.
But in the morning for breakfast, you saw.
That was organic.
Yes,
Hmm.
organic, homemade.
Mhm.
And I did this.
So ये butter भी जो है sauce.
Foods to get.
Okay. So this butter is also going to be in the sauce.
Yes. No sauce, separate things.
Okay.
And we shall put one by one.
Okay. Okay. तो ये जो है इस बटर को मेल्ट कर रही हैं. इसको अब हम मेल्ट कर लेंगे. So she is going to melt this butter for the final seasoning. All these into pieces. Ye.
It just depends how do you want. Big, small, no problem. You can do.
Okay, any shape.
Yes, it is better you do some big
Mm-hmm.
when you put the water. They take this place. Don't worry.
Okay.
No, I shall put some salt.
Okay. Salt in the boiling water.
Some oil.
Okay. So she is adding salt in the hot boiling water and some oil. Olive oil?
Yes,
Hmm.
it's also organic.
Okay, organic olive oil. Here we go.
Okay. Because this time the bakery going there the separate
Mhm.
together.
Okay.
You know that's
Yes. So these are all the strips she cut off from that bread. And now she is going to put all of these in this hot boiling water and stir it quickly.
you see everything separate.
Yes. Show me. Pull it. Yes. This is boiling.
Yes, boiling. When we ready, I shall take
Okay.
after put the plate
Okay.
with the garnish.
Okay. We will garnish it then.
Yes. And our
Can you tell me how you made this dough? This
yes,
bakery?
yes. It's very simple.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple. The first, I said the first type of the bakery, only flour,
Mm-hmm.
salt, and water.
Flour, salt, and water.
Some hot.
Some hot water.
Finish.
And then make it a dough.
Yes, yes, you can do this. No soft, some hard
Okay.
because
Okay.
it's this simple of the time.
Okay.
When
Yes.
we go stay,
Mm-hmm.
it's ready.
Okay. So she mean to say that when all this is cooked, it will come up of the water, upper level of the water. It will be not sinking anymore. So you can stain it again.
You see, they are
Separate everything, and it is cooked well.
Days sitting doing this
Hmm.
all day busy with this, but I did this very quickly.
Okay. But
I promise.
yes, you are saying your kitchen is small, but you are making very big dishes here, and your heart is very big that you allowed us to record this thing.
But yes, if the owner host, if wants any woman
Mhm.
housekeeper
Yes.
can do a small place of celebration.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
She is managing really well with this kitchen because, like you can see, it's always very clean. and she does things very quickly. These things. इस तरह से. Now she is going to layer these. Yeah, for 2%.
For person, I did for you and for money.
Yes. So she is going to plate it out.
Looking good.
Yes, this is looking very good.
This is maybe here some, huh? You can take. no
Okay.
problem. Because
And we can boil it again. See?
you will not sleep. That's why you must eat more.
Yes.
Also,
Okay.
this simple type of without meat.
Okay. If any person who
And
is purely
all-
vegetarian,
yes,
you
and
can skip
also
meat.
Vegetarian. You can do with this only fried onion.
Okay.
It is possible.
Okay. So if two types of sauces you can get ready, one with this meat and without meat you can also make. Skip the meat.
Our homemade yogurt is ready. Okay.
So
I am here or they go.
they go.
Oh,
They go.
my God.
So this is their homemade yogurt. Look at this. So beautiful.
Mhm.
Look at this.
But what time he will come?
He'll be coming. He'll be coming. He's
Maybe
he's
after we put where is our garlic? Here.
garlic.
There's no problem to eat.
Yes.
Some people don't want because smell.
Putting the onion and meat sauce here. Layering. Look at this. How beautiful it is looking. Yum yum.
Yes, nam nam.
Yum yum.
Yes, nam nam. Or nam nam for my for you.
Yes.
And now I put some
Butter.
butter
Okay.
for deliciously, you know.
Beautiful.
Okay. Yogurt.
It's going to be yogurt. Fresh homemade yogurt.
Okay, our Xengel is ready.
Okay, our hingai is ready. Wow. Yum yum.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Thank you.
What is this? Cosmos? Xengel. Xengel.
Do you have salt? Yes, salt.
Salt?
Salt.
I put salt too much.
Oh, true.
Yogurt थोड़ी. Yogurt बहुत मजे की है यार.
Okay, so here we got the final dish. In what's the name?
Xengel.
Xengel.
She
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
Don't ask me.
So this is Xengel, local dish of Azerbaijan. So we will try this.
What price?
Awesome.
Eat well.
This is a good one. Yeah, this is good.
Really good. Really, really good.
No.
Thank you.
Zaria? Mika?
He have prepared this
नहीं
for
salt
us.
वाकई इसमें है. Salt is good. Yes. The water. Hmm.